One bad driver or one wrong registry tweak, and your PC can go from fine to unusable in seconds. The good news is Windows has a built-in safety net called System Restore, but it only works if you set it up first. Let me show you how to turn it on, create restore points 2 different ways, roll back when something breaks, and even fix it when Windows won't boot at all. First, open the Start menu and search Create a Restore Point. Then open the result to land on System Protection. Look at your C, drive if it says Off, select it, click Configure, choose Turn on System Protection, set disk space usage to somewhere between 5 and 10%, and hit Apply. Then OK. Now that protection's on, let's make an actual restore point. Stay on that System Protection tab, click Create, give it a clear name like Before Registry Edit, and click Create again. In a few seconds, you'll see the restore point was created successfully. Just click Close and OK. If you'd rather skip the mouse clicks, you can do this with PowerShell. Search PowerShell, right-click it, choose Run as Administrator, then type Checkpoint Computer, description before driver install, restore point type modify, settings, and hit Enter. It'll hit 100% when it's done. Just know Windows only lets you create one manual restore point per day this way. So if something went wrong and you need to roll back, here's how. Open System Protection again, click System Restore, then Next. Pick a restore point from the list, check Show More Restore Points if you don't see enough options. Optionally click Scan for affected programs to see what'll change, then click Next, Finish, and confirm the restart. What if Windows won't even boot? You can still get to System Restore. Force a shutdown 3 times during boot to trigger the Windows recovery environment, then click Advanced Options on the error screen. From there, go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, System Restore, sign in if it asks, pick your restore point, and click Next, then Finish. A few things can go wrong here, so let's troubleshoot. If the Create button is grayed out, System Protection is off, or your disk space slider is at 0, fix both. If your restore points keep disappearing, bump the disk space allocation up to around 10%, since a full disk, toggling protection off and on, or a major Windows update can wipe them out. And if a restore actually fails, try disabling your antivirus, running the restore from WinRE instead, or running SFC scanout in an admin PowerShell window to repair system files. A couple of habits will save you a lot of pain. Always create a restore point before anything risky, like a registry edit or driver install, and use Scan for affected programs before you confirm a restore. You can even automate this with Task Scheduler running Checkpoint Computer on a schedule. Just remember, System Restore doesn't back up your personal files, so pair it with file history or a full system image backup. That's really all it takes to give yourself an undo button for Windows. Turn on protection, make a restore point, and you're covered before things go sideways. If this saved you a headache, give the video a like and subscribe to Online Tech Tips for more fixes like this one.